Make sure to like and subscribe.
This is just going to be a look at. I bought this in through the new Amazon buying option, which is Amazon Haul. I think it makes a great gift. The wood is down there. I have to open it up here to get that out. Okay, there it is. This is the stand for it. This is the actual item. It's wrapped up in plastic. Let me remove that. Again, it's just to look at. Just a gift idea. I think it's cute. I think it's great for anybody to give to anybody. Mom, dad, wife, husband. Let me just do the size of this thing so you can get an idea of the measurements. And it's not very thick at all. Just do it from here, about 1/8. And then this is the stand, which adds 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches. So let's put it on. See how it looks like. This is such a great gift idea. I really like it. So this was just a look at the actual item. It's plastic, it's not glass. And I think it's so cute. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Make sure to like and subscribe.